Oh, hey, it's Taco.
Oh my god,
Nice
Taco, you're back.
Taco, we missed you so much. Ow. Oh, okay, no, but really, we're really sorry for how we treated you back there with the jawbreaker thing. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing Book.
Hey, 4, can you bring back Book?
No.
Sure thing! Places, everyone. It's cake and steak time! Wow. Look who actually lost. If you're Steve, you'll get a Happy Thoughts. If you got the most votes.
Good luck ever thinking happily again.
Ice Cube is the first one happy.
Revenge!
Aw, she's so happy. Teardrop is the next one safe. Enjoy. Hey, you can't do that. Zaw, you got yourself a Happy Thought as well.
This is great.
Taco safe too. You'll like this one. Wait, that's not really happy for. I don't even know how to feel about that yet. Well, maybe you should get over it. Giddy is safe as well. 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 Bug also gets to think positive today. But if you look dictionary up in me, it says the one who will win Dream Island.
Oh, really? I guess that settles it then.
I like this show. Lollipop, Dora, one of you will going away feeling empty inside. I sure hope you're safe, Lollipop. And the last one safe is... Lollipop. Here's something to think about.
Bagel brain. Bagel brain.
Stop being so dramatic.